Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at your favorite long to short transformations and of course reacting to them. So first up we have someone who has very long waist length hair. Looks like the stylist might end up doing a bob for this particular cut. So unfortunately, we didn't get to see the final result of that one, but we move right on into number 2. And for this one, it looks like she is cutting off all that long curly hair and opting for a pixie. Now, because she does have naturally curly hair, she can wear the hair in its natural state, or she can flat iron it and wear it straight. Looks like the stylist is adding in some bangs to frame out the pixie. Oh, I love the way that he styled her natural texture. So pretty. This is absolutely stunning. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to show it some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And if you do have a naturally curly hair, this would be an absolutely stunning pixie haircut to try out. I love the way that her natural curls pop. So moving on to transformation number 3, she has this gorgeous bold red hair. I love how she pairs her makeup with this, the red lip. And she ends up getting like a Pixie styled shaggy cut. Oh, this is so cute. I think that the color really just overall elevates the look even further. This is like the perfect shade of red. So moving on to the next one, looks like she starts off with mid-length hair that is braided. The stylist has the clippers here. And he cuts the hair into this classic bob cut. Beautiful. This is a gorgeous classic style here. Very low maintenance. So next up, we move into this Pixie haircut transformation. That is a look that is in between a bob and a pixie. I love the shape of this cut. So cute. This is also known as a mini bob style. Beautifully done. Next up, we have another big chop. And the stylist does another fresh classic bob cut. Beautiful. I love how this cut makes her cheekbones pop. She looks incredible. Next up, we have another big chop. So her hair, I would say, comes to around waistline. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob cut for this one as well. Gorgeous bob haircut. I love the simplicity with this. She does have a bit of the curtain bangs going there in the front to frame out the bob. Very nice. Then we have someone doing a DIY at the salon. So it looks like she definitely wants a bob here. So she has pretty long hair. I'd say about mid-length or so, mid-back length. Look how much sheen her hair has. So beautiful. Gorgeous blonde ends. Absolutely stunning. And then she does have a classic part down the center. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous long to short transformations. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.